Hello, my name is Abdul Basit. I am from Gulistan, Johor. So I am here at this showroom in Clifton Park Towers of Chery. I recently just took a test drive of the Tiggo 4. That is a really phenomenal car. I just saw the reviews on the YouTube of some vloggers, and I came here and I just saw the car. I drove it, and it is really fantastic. So like in this price range, I don't think you can get any car in this price range. Like how the car market, how the car economic market of the car in Karachi is, and how Pakistan is. So I would say this is a really nice car. I drove the Tiggo 4. I also checked this Tiggo 8. That is a really nice car. But yeah, for sure, I would really recommend for someone who is open to buy a car and he is a budget. But for sure, like you don't get like features of you're outside the car. It's a keyless. You have the keyless key, right? So first thing is the keyless. The other thing is the remote control, and there are a lot of functions. I cannot even describe it right now. So yes, I am really amazed, and I am at this showroom. It's a really nice showroom. So it's really, the staff is wonderful. Every single person here is nice. So yes, that I would say this is a really nice car to buy at this point right now in Pakistan.